today's video, we're checking out the ANYFREE Smart Doorbell with a built-in camera. It also comes with a solar panel that helps keep the doorbell charged. When someone rings the doorbell, you'll receive a video call on your phone, allowing you to see the visitor instantly, and it'll show you how to connect it with the mobile app. So stay tuned for the full video. Now the footage you're seeing is being recorded by the doorbell camera.
Alright, so this is the camera at nighttime. You can see that the infrared kicks in. You ring the bell.
Alright guys, so we just picked up this ANYFREE Smart Doorbell. There are a couple of things that are extremely cool about this. Number one, it looks like a real doorbell. Check this, it's got this little thing that you pull and then that activates the door chime. It reaches all the way into our backyard, which is about 120 feet away. Another cool thing is this is solar charging. Right here, there's a solar cell. And then here is our camera. There's a built-in battery in here as well. If you get a sunny day like we have one today, then the battery is gonna charge. And then on days that are overcast or there's no sun at all, it's gonna use that battery. Press down, that's gonna release the latch. Your battery is in here. It is 3.7 volt, 5,800 milliamp. You get 100 days of battery life on a single charge, which you can also charge via USB Type-C. It's going to take about 4 to 5 hours to do a full charge. This is your mounting hardware. And don't worry, the little door chain is not going to bust. And here is an example of us pulling it. You have your manual, you have your hardware, and they even gave you the screwdriver required. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to install the app for this. I'm going to test it to make sure everything is working. We're going to test the footage. We're going to put this in the dark mode and see what it looks like at night. And we're going to play with the app settings. And then at the end, we're going to go mount it. Okay, grab your signal station. You're going to notice on the side of it, there's a button, and then there is a slot for an additional SD card. What's great about this camera versus a lot of doorbell is that the SD card goes in to here and not there. That means that whoever wants to steal or break the camera, if they steal it, they will not get the SD card because it is always syncing back to here. Most doorbells only come as a doorbell, so everything is built in. This one's got that extra little module right over here, and it also works as a door chime, so it has double duty. So let's plug this in. Make sure that when you're pairing the camera, it's right beside the power station. So that's solid red. Now we're gonna go and click this button and hold it. Okay, so now when it's slowly flashing green, that's when we're ready to connect it to our Wi-Fi. So turn on the Bluetooth on your phone, search for ANYFREE signal station, and then connect. So turn your camera over, there's an on and off switch. Assuming that you've already pre-charged your camera, we're gonna flip the switch on. And now load up the settings on your phone under Bluetooth and look for ANYFREE. Now you are gonna have to create an account on their website during the app installation. So just make sure that you can get a verification on your phone. So after signing up in the mobile app, tap on Connect Doorbell. Next, select your device and tap Next. Now we'll prompt you to plug the signal receiver into a power outlet. We've already done that. After that, it will ask for the Wi-Fi password of the network connected to your mobile phone. There are two connection methods, Bluetooth or QR code. We're going with the QR code method. You'll need to scan this QR code using the doorbell camera. When the doorbell camera successfully scans the code, you hear a sound that means it's connected. Once you hear the sound, tap I heard the sound and then tap Next. It may take a moment, but eventually it will connect your phone to the doorbell. Now the footage you're seeing is being recorded by the doorbell camera.
Alright, so this is the camera at nighttime. You can see that the infrared kicks in. You ring the bell.
Let's say someone walks up to your door and presses the doorbell. You'll receive a call from the doorbell. Answering the call will allow you to see who's at your door. So that's how you connect this doorbell with your mobile app. Easy to set up, it works flawlessly now. I never miss a visitor at my door. That's the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.